Hello Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for next 48 hours. We will see your person's energy towards you and what can you expect. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. For the people who are going to hear this message for Virgo Spirit, please give me their personal energy towards them for next 48 hours. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. Okay. Virgo's message for Virgo Spirit for next 48 hours. If this is a breakup Virgo, this person wants to change that situation. Something is going to change here. If your person was acting very detached or was very self-centered, that thing is going to change and you are going to be very amazed by that change. For some of you, I'm also getting money is coming towards you Virgo, but a major change is coming towards you, and this could be related to this person. If this person did not give you that time, like you were not this person's priority in a past or could be at present as well, that's what I'm seeing. And this, you were waiting for this person kept you on hold, or you are just waiting for this person's attention, and I feel that is going to change and this, you will receive this person's attention. I also feel you were not this person's priority in a past, but now this person may express that this person has emotions for you, and I'm also getting this person definitely loves you, but this person is very reserved, like this person don't express his or her emotions much. I'm also getting, like, for some of you, like your person could be having issue in saying what they exactly feel at that exact moment, like the time when you want to hear that, something like that I'm getting here. Could be dealing with a Scorpio or a Sag or an earth sign. They feel you are acting very emotionally independent Virgo. And this person wants to commit to you. This person feels alone, and I also feel like this person has like you were feeling alone without this person. This person has left you out in a cold in a past, and because they wanted to like have something stable with someone else, or this person could be very focused on his career, on his business, and it was related to their finances. But now this person feels like you are not emotionally dependent on this person anymore, and you are doing good, like you just want to sneak away from their life. That's how this person views you. And if this person has betrayed you in the past, if this person, like, it's not necessarily a deception. If this person in the past, for some of you I'm getting, treated you like an option, like when they wanted to talk to you they did, and when they wanted to like spend time somewhere else they ignored you. So that's the energy I'm getting here. Like, this person feels like because of that you are not emotionally dependent on them anymore, and this person also feels like you are doing very good financially and you are very stable in your life wherever you are. For some of you Virgo, your person sees you as someone like who is married, and yet you are doing good, like you are single and you are enjoying your freedom and you have a lot of money. This person definitely thinks like you are very focused on your finances, and you are like, you are very free. This is freedom, and you are very happy. That's how your person view you Virgo. And this person also thinks that you are very acting very self-centered, like you are very focused on your finances, on your own growth, but you are very stable. That's the strong message I'm getting here. Like, this person view you as someone and thinks about you who is very stable right now and who is very happy and free. You could be dealing with a fire sign or a player, Virgo, but I feel like this person could be a Leo or Pisces, but this person could have put you in a third party situation, or this person did not have time for you because this person always had a lot of work to do, like other things. Their focus was on other things as well, and this person is could be very passionate, like who takes action what he or she wants, but this person has hidden stuff from you. This person need you, but this person did not let you know. I also feel like for now this person feels like things have hidden from him or her, and or this person intends to keep his secrets from you, and this person also is very confused when it comes to his feelings. I'm also getting this person has a lot of passion for you, Virgo, and this person, but this person could be a player as well for some of you and not for all. But this person wants something stable with you. This person could be very direct when they speak, like very determined when they decide what he or like what they want. I'm also getting, Virgo, like this person could be very harsh when he speaks, especially when he gets angry or irritated. But this person wants to talk to you, Virgo, and this person loves you. Connection is mutual, but there is some kind of deception here, like someone sneaked away. And I feel this is mostly about priorities. For some of you, this person could have put you in a third party situation. For others of you, I'm getting this person is very, very focused on his work. This person don't want to put any effort in this relationship, Virgo, and this person want a closure. This person just want to remain closed off when it comes to you. But this person is gonna stalk you, Virgo, and this person will be very focused on his or her finances. This person is holding back, and I'm also getting for some of you like your person has some kind of business idea. If it's not a business idea, this person want to marry someone or be in a committed relationship with someone. That's what I'm getting here. But this person feels like this relationship is a lot of work and they are stalking you from a distance, and you will know that this person is watching me, like either intuitively or they'll let you know that they are stalking you on your social media. But definitely this person is gonna stalk you for next 48 hours, and especially if they are at work. And again, this person is not reliable, Virgo. This person is not reliable. For some of you, I'm getting this person could be married to someone else, and this person has kept it as a secret from you, like you did not know. For others of you, I'm getting this person want to heal this relationship, like if this person is gonna come back, this person will, if you are financially very stable. I'm getting two situations here, but one thing is sure, this person is not reliable, and you shouldn't trust this person completely unless you know like they are 100% clean. But I feel this person has some other connection going on here, and for most of you, I'm getting this person is already married. If not, this is about their money, like something related to money here. And this person also feels like you are very, very stable financially. So there is a chance if this person is going to come back, their motive, I don't know. I'm getting something about finances here. This person just loves himself, and that's it. I also feel for some of you, you guys feel ignored, and yes, you are going to be very disappointed if you trust this person, Virgo. I have 5 of Cups in outcome. This is a, you are going to be very restless and you are going to be very disappointed if you trust this person. So if this person is coming back, or if this person, if you know, especially if this is a fire sign, just know that that person is going to trick you somehow. And yes, could be an air sign as well. But I'm getting sad Scorpio, fire sign, air sign. So could be Capricorn as well, but I really feel you are going to be very disappointed. Don't trust this person. That would I say. At least gather more information. Yes, you could have met this person at your workplace or gone to a school or college with this person. It is also possible that this person may try to seduce you to come back to your life or start this connection with you. So, this is your reading, Virgo. I really hope it could help you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.